Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Pinterest feed for your HTML site. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Pinterest feed. So click sign up for free. Now you want to sign up with the Google or Facebook or normal mail, it's really up to you. And when you have it, let's click login. Now when you got it, you want to write in search Pinterest. And you're gonna see it here, Pinterest feed. Let's click on it. Now you have option to choose between boards gallery, pins gallery, sidebar widget. I recommend going with the Pinterest profile, but it's really up to you what you like. Let's continue with the template. Now you want to write your profile here. I will leave it for Tommy Hilfiger now, and also link the boards here. When you will have it, you can also change the style of the color, the theme color. I will leave it like that also. Let's click save. Now when we have it, you're gonna see a code here, but right before that you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your site, start with the light version, 200 views monthly. But if you're gonna have 5,000 or 50,000 views, go with the basic or pro version. Let's copy the code. Now here, let's go and let's add it to our HTML. Let's click save and preview. And voila, here we got perfect Pinterest feed for our HTML site. So this is how we do it, and this is how we add Pinterest feed. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.